See, I'm making cupcakes.
What do you need to make cupcakes? What does the box say?
Eggs.
Eggs?
Oil.
Oil?
Eggs.
Eggs. Oil. And what's this one?
Water.
And water.
And oil and eggs.
All right. You're gonna make me some cupcakes?
Yeah.
All right. Can't wait. Let's get our ingredients. What do you have?
I have eggs, water, mixing, and water
And oil. Yep.
And
Your pans.
make
Pans to put the cupcakes. All right, get the box. Let's see what the box says. We have to read the box. The box has directions. We need 3 eggs. Can you get 3 eggs?
Yeah.
Get 3 eggs.
This one.
Okay, that's 1. Put it in here. Get 2 more. Nope, not yet. Get 2 more. No, not yet. How many eggs do you have?
I have
3?
Yeah.
Whoa, 3 eggs. All right, we're done. You gotta be careful. Pour the water in the bowl. Be very careful.
Yeah.
All right, Nyla, we're gonna get it. Very careful in the bowl. Put half a cup of oil. Next is the eggs. The eggs? I'll break them, okay? No more. What's in the bowl?
Oil and water.
And what else?
And eggs.
And eggs. Look, now we have this. We have to pour all of it in the bowl. Okay? All of it. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta, we gotta mix it. We gotta get a spoon. Now you gotta mix it. All right, so mix it. Big circle, mix the cake mix. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Tell Nyla what you're doing.
Lila, look. I'm doing this to make it this one. I'm making.
What?
The egg.
The eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta mix it all together. What does that look like?
Like turtle.
Like what?
Turtle.
Turtle?
Yeah.
What? Keep mixing. Is it mixed up? That looks better. All right. Oh, wow, too much.
A baby one.
All right, baby one, in here.
I'm making like this.
All right, get some more batter, cupcake batter. We're gonna put it in here. Get some more from there.
I'm gonna make it like a butter pizza.
What?
Look, I'm gonna make it for you.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Messy.
Yeah.
That one. This one.
Hey, teachers, Chrissy in the oven.
You gonna put that in the oven?
Yeah.
So mommy and daddy's gonna can only put this in the oven, all right? Because it's very hot and dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
Say dangerous.
Teachers.
All right, let's go put this in the oven. In the oven. In the oven. Stay back. Stay way back. Way back. Can we see it? Oh, look, they're growing. Do you see it? Right there, look. They look like little cupcakes.
Like a baby cupcake.
Yeah.
It's growing.
It's growing. You see it?
It's a baby cupcake like you. That's you, Lila. Yeah. That's me, that's you. That's Lila. That's me. You see? Yes, you are like me.
Well, stay back. Don't touch. It's hot, remember?
It's making like a baby.
Yep. All right. So we got 8 minutes left. Okay? Don't touch. It's hot. Don't touch. It's hot. Very dangerous. We don't touch the oven. All right. We gotta check on our cupcakes, Nyla. Come sit over here. You look at it? Whoa! They're like huge. Whoa. Whoa! So big.
So big. That's like Daddy. That's Daddy.
Yeah.
That's like Daddy.
No. All right. We got 2 minutes left.
Daddy, Mommy, and Victor, and Hima, and Darby right here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Are you ready to eat them? It's gonna be so good. Where's it gonna go?
In the tummy.
In your tummy?
Ah!
Whoa. All right, we gotta move back. Okay, it's very hot. Go back to watching TV. Let's go wait. The timer went off. Is it time to get the cupcakes?
What happened?
That means it's time to get the cupcakes out the oven. Yep, we can't touch it. Mommy has to do it. I know. But Mommy has to do it, right? Because it's very hot and dangerous. Alright, so let's go sit at the table and Mommy will take the cupcakes out. Here's our cupcakes out the oven. They're not pretty, but they'll be good. Are you guys ready to eat cupcakes?
Yes.
Are you ready to eat cupcakes, Nyla? No. Yes?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so this is an exercise for another day, but I'm gonna make the icing for Winter and Nyla. So, super easy. Just buy store-bought icing, and I'm just gonna add some colors and then let them decorate. Woo! Cupcake! Don't eat it. Right, look, hey! Look, you can decorate your cupcake. Remember how to do it? Squeeze it on that cupcake. Okay? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
It's like a baby now.
What? Alright, put on the green.
Green.
What color is that?
Blue.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a mess. Need some help?
You can do it.
You can do it.
Whoa.
Look at this one. Alright, keep the cupcake on the thing. Here.
Bye, kids.